Hey, here's Plato app, which is quite popular. So to install it on iPhone, just tap on get or on the cloud icon if you used it before. Plato is the best chat app with group games built around having fun with friends. No sign-ups, emails, phone numbers are required. So you can chat with your friends or make new friends while playing games at the same time. You can connect freely, you can meet people. Plato is all about connecting you with your friends or meeting new people. Just upload profile picture and get chatting. So yeah, as you can see, it sounds not that you can play these very standard online games, but just with your friends and engage in chats and conversations and have more fun compared if you just playing by yourself. So then yeah, here's the account, and as you can see, it's quite helpful. It's my account is detected, and then so yep, there you have it. And then here is the app overview. You can add friends. There are these basic games which you can play. You can play with friend, or you can just join existing pools. If you want to play with the friends, you can just add a friend by Plato ID, or you can invite friends to play with. So that's that, and then here you have coins. You can buy coins. Here is what you can do. 2000 coins is 1.99. And fun, in the middle tab and the bottom we have all the games. So that's basically how it looks like. And then based on that, there are also specific chat rooms if you want to discover them. Yeah, and that's basically that. That's how the app looks like. Then you have your account. You can see the games you played. So I played table soccer a few times. Here is you can change your Plato ID, which is basically a username. Register account. So you can see the details. You can delete your account also here easily, in case you want to delete your data. And that's basically that. So just play games with friends and have fun.